We passed by this government farm, and there are usually cows in the field. Today, the cows are not out. We came across this flock of birds, which I just had to film. Look at them, it's straight out of a movie. Oh my goodness, these birds. Another section of government farm where we often see cows. Really like this piece, but even on sale it's $35. I don't want to pay that much. How cute are these? 50% off. Get the screen. Hey friends, it's Trisha from Freedom Hill. Today I have a small Hobby Lobby haul to show you. And this video is also going to include some footage from our outing yesterday, and went shopping with the boys, so I'll just have to show you some of that. The first thing I got at Hobby Lobby was this cow on a picket fence. How cute is this? The cow is wooden, the fence is metal. I couldn't pass it up. It was 50% off, so the price was $7.99. But I got it for $4. Very cute for my dining room. I also got these 3 little bottles because I want to share some of my homemade vanilla extract with a couple of my daughters that I'll be seeing on Thanksgiving, and one of my daughter-in-laws. And so these say they are food safe and dishwasher safe. They were half price, so even though they say $1.99, I got them each for 99 cents. How adorable. They're not very tall. I don't know if you can get an idea with my hand how big they are. Just the right size. I needed some Mod Podge for a project coming up, and I'll be showing you that project. But I went ahead and picked up the Mod Podge. It was marked $5.99. I had a 40% off coupon, so I got it 40% off. Always can use Mod Podge. And the last thing I got was this set of vases that are inside a galvanized steel metal, like a, I don't know what you call that, but anyway, a holder. I just thought this was adorable. It could go for all seasons, depending on the flowers you put inside. And so I couldn't resist it. This was marked $24.99. It was half price, so I got it for $12.50. That's it for my Hobby Lobby haul. I had a blast. Thanks so much for watching.